Hey there, in this video I will show you how to remove a bank account from Prizepicks. We will walk you through the steps and explain the rules you need to know. So let's get started. Before you can remove a bank account or a payment method, keep these rules in mind. You must wait at least 60 days from your first deposit using that payment method. You can only request to remove a payment method once per calendar month. You cannot remove more than 5 payment methods within a 12-month period. PayPal accounts cannot be removed for security reasons. To remove a bank account or a payment method, follow these steps. Log into your Prizepicks account. Tap the deposit button in the top right corner. In the deposits tab, locate the payment method you want to remove. If eligible, you will see a trash can icon next to it. Tap the icon to remove it. If you don't see the trash can icon, it means your 60-day waiting period hasn't passed yet. You have already removed a payment method this month, or you have hit the 5 times removal limit for the year. If you still need help, reach out the Prizepicks support. Go to help center in the app or visit their website to submit a request. And that's it. That's how you can remove a bank account on Prizepicks. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.